Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Stinger GT. This is not the GT1 or the GT2, just the base GT. And this is the first time I've driven one this spec. I've driven the GT1, GT2 a bunch, but never the GT. And the fact that you can get this car stickering for $42,980, that's an absolute performance bargain. You still get beautiful leather seats, still get the 3.3 V6. And then if you need more features, you can always upgrade. Actually, I don't think I've ever shown it off. The 3.3 V6. Ta-da! Not a bad looking unit. Looks like you have two intake boxes going into one big large intake. Pretty cool. I mean, micro blue is the color for this car. It is absolutely beautiful. And though the sun just went out, which I hope it doesn't rain because we took this one out of the showroom, the metallic flake on it, absolutely sensational. There's almost a little bit of red flake in there. All right. The interior, everything's very, very nice. All materials are really, really nice, soft touch materials. There we go. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, everything you would ever need is in this car. And for $42,000, let's say $43,000, $42,000, I can't think of much more you could want. And that's half the price of an S7. An Audi S7, which is kind of one of this car's competitors. LED lighting. 8-speed automatic in these. Not a dual clutch unit, but it might as well be. They are just that good. Shifts are very, very quick. No complaints at all. It is the fact that I personally almost bought one of these cars definitely says a lot. And now let's check out and see what 365 horsepower does. Oh my goodness. It gets me every time. You know, I daily drive a car with 500 horsepower, but I don't get on it much. You know, and when you drive, you know, your Kia Forte, you drive stuff like that, this feels quick. It is, in the grand scheme of things, Aventador, stuff like that, cars I have driven, no, it's not the fastest. But it feels so quick. The way it picks up power and the way it delivers the power, it grips up all the time because of all-wheel drive. It's very, it's gonna be hard to say this, but around town, not on a track, it feels almost like the GTR. I know I'm gonna get haters because I just said that, but the way it goes about things is very, very similar to the GTR. Where the way it claws out of corners, the way it delivers power, the transmission feel, it's very, very much like the GTR. So keep in mind, I've never taken that corner this quick. And this thing just clawed around it. It's absolutely sensational. When you take some of the corners quicker, you'll feel the rear end start to rotate. It's a very rear biased all-wheel drive system, and that does wonders for handling. You'll feel the rear start to step around just a little bit and really help you get around the corners. In a very, very roundabout way, the speed really does sneak up on you. Of course, it feels fast, but you have to constantly keep your mind on the speedometer, because in the back of your mind, you're like, hey, it's a Kia, it's not that quick. But then you realize just how quick it is. The way it goes around corners is just... it's... wow! I need to find somebody who tracks these and go for either a ride-along or a session in a Stinger. The way it goes about cornering, it's on the level of the GTR. It just claws its way through almost everything. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.